Because they have the zeal and it's an opportunity for them to be innovative. It's not just following what is existing now, but it's to bring out creativity. And who is the best people to have this kind of quality? It's the youth. To prepare them for their future and to have their own business ventures wherein they will be an asset to our community.
Having this avenue, nakakarinig sila, nakakakita sila, and most of all, nakaka-meet sila ng mga tao from the industry actually, na nagkakaroon din ng opportunity to exchange ideas.
It helps us na para like, if ever na kunwari hindi makagraduate sa college or what, meron po tayong backup plan in order for us to make a living. Ganun po. Pwede rin po tayong maging successful po kasi dito po kasi sa pagnenegosyo is hawak mo yung oras mo and yung income mo is unlimited.
Like giving opportunity, lalo na yung mga kabataan is kulang pa sila sa knowledge. And ang makakatulong nun is mentors. And kung may mga gaps sila or may mga katanungan sila, pwede agad masagot ng mga mentors. Ayan.
Young age pa lang ay matututunan ng mga bata na magnegosyo, may consider po ang entrepreneurship sa kanilang future career.
Super inspirational siya para sa amin, para marami kaming natutunan at naging pwede namin ito ma-apply sa sarili namin at sa future.
Masaya po dahil na tulungan po nila kami na ma-expand pa yung knowledge namin. Ang na-apply ko po today is yung sinabi ng mentor namin na mag-ano daw po kami ng innovative and creative sa paggawa po ng business.
Masaya yung experience ko dito, lalo na malalaki yung mga taong magtuturo sa'yo. Hopefully, nakapagbigay ako ng mga insights na magagamit nila after this.
Yung event kanina, napakaganda, no? It's very important on the part of the students. Nakapagbigay po siguro ang Go Negosyo team ng options para i-consider yung entrepreneurship in their future plans, in their future career. Kaya Sir Joey Concepcion, thank you very much for bringing Go Negosyo to Baguio City National High School. Sana po masundan po ito. Hindi po ito yung last na pagpunta natin dito sa Baguio City High School.